What does motor detarriffication mean, when and how it will be implemented? The term detarriffication refers to the removal of the tariff structure. This will allow insurance companies to charge rates based on their customers' risk profile. So based on their business risk models and strategies, different insurance firms can charge different prices to their customers for the same risk behavior. So the phase of detarriffication starting from the 1st July of 2017. Throughout this time, the price of a policy remains the same regardless of which firm you get it from, because the pricing is regulated by Bank Negara Malaysia. However, under detarriffication, the system will change, where insurance companies would use a risk-based pricing technique in which the premiums could be higher or lower. Before detarriffication, motor insurance premium is standardized for everyone based on the car value and engine capacity. But starting from July 2017, insurance company will determine your motor insurance and set their own premium based on the driver's profile and the car types. So to simplify it, your premium will now be determined by your perceived risk. This indicates that the higher the risk, the higher the premium price, and the lower the risk, the lower your premium price will be.
All insurance firms will use a risk-based pricing approach. This method is not based on the cc of your vehicle, but rather on the other characteristics like gender, driver age, vehicle models, and so on. The bigger the danger that a driver may get involved in an accident, the higher the premium, and vice versa. Therefore, maintaining a good risk profile should be high on a driver's priority. Let's take driving experience as an example. The insurer assumes that the more driving experience you have, the less likely you are to get into a car crash. Unfortunately, this means that inexperienced drivers are considered a higher risk to insure. Even if they have never been in an accident before, inexperienced drivers are more likely to be charged more for their premium as compared to an experienced driver. Furthermore, based on the age, younger drivers obviously have less experience than older drivers. However, this is just one reason why younger drivers are charged more for the insurance premium. It is because they are considered more likely to display unsafe driving behaviors. However, keep in mind that older drivers can also have to pay more for their premium. Eventually, older drivers will start to see an increase in their rates as their insurers start to feel concerned about their ability to operate the car safely. A good way to think about it is that drivers under the age of 25 and over the age of 65 are more likely to pay more for their premium. Next, based on the gender, men are sometimes viewed as a higher risk and therefore have to pay a higher premium to counter the higher risk than female. Uyghur says that the reasoning behind a possible higher accidents frequency for men is the men have a higher tendency to exposed in an aggressive behavior than female. Last but not least, let's take vehicle models as an example. The particular of the motor vehicle represent the characteristic which make the vehicle different from other motor vehicles. Specific vehicles models such as BMW have a higher risk of being often a favorite or target vehicle thefts syndicate compared to Myvi. High-end cars such as Bentley and Audi are insured at a higher cost compared to more affordable vehicles like Sentro and Alto. Similarly, SUVs are charged higher insurance premiums than ordinary family hatchbacks.
What are the expected outcomes of motor detarriffication? First, the risk-based pricing will allow premiums or contribution to be priced according to the customer's various risk profile and to encourage professionalism among agents in order to provide customers with good advice. Second, healthy competition will encourage insurance and takaful companies to develop and offer a broader selection of motor products to meet the needs and preference of different customers. Third, motor detarriffication will also encourage insurance and takaful companies to increase operational efficiency in order to provide better service to customers, such as the adoption of more diverse and cost-effective distribution channels that allow customers to access motor products through their chosen channels. Last but not least, customers benefit not only from a wider range of products, a higher level of service, and easier access to coverage, but also from a variety of coverage limits that are designed for specific risk profiles.
The benefits of motor detarriffication that can benefit consumer. First is cheaper premium rate. Now, as premiums are being decided based on the risk profile of drivers, your premium rates could actually be cheaper. More skilled, less risky drivers will supposedly be subject to lower premiums. Each driver is being judged on a number of factors that include age, occupation, driving experience, past conduct, claims history, gender, and even the type of car. Consumers can be lowering their premiums in several ways, such as installing safety and security features on their vehicle, driving cautiously at all times to avoid accidents and insurance claims, and they can maintaining a clean driving record. Second is better product and add-on variety. Insurers have more flexibility in terms of pricing and product packages. You can expect a whole new range of motor insurance products and add-ons to suit the needs and budgets of every market group. Some may be cheaper and affordable for the lower income drivers, such as special student packages and basic coverage plans. Others might be more comprehensive and higher in price for people that prefer to have all-inclusive and extensive protection.
Good customer service from the insurer. The insurer's next priority is to provide excellent customer service. Because of motor detarriffication, insurer will compete to provide a better and more affordable product. Insurer must provide services both online and offline. They must disclose all important information and explain clearly in a customer-friendly manner. Insurer also need to provide website where customer can refer to all of the services offered, making it easier for customer to interact with the insurer without having to meet in person. People will purchase a motor insurance policy from them if the insurance company is well known for providing excellent services. Other than that is freedom on consumer choice. Nowadays, insurers' motor insurance packages are similar to one another, despite the fact that they are offered by different insurance companies in terms of product, benefit, and pricing. The customer has the option to choose the coverage they want and need from a wide range of new motor insurance products and add-on on the market. They can freely choose what is best for them to buy. The consumer will benefit because they will be able to compare motor policies in the market before purchasing them.
Next, what are the things we should do to ensure lower premium? First, think before you switch your car. It is about the more expensive the car is, the higher the premium will be. Other factors such as the age of vehicle as well as safety and security features installed in your vehicle play a role in determining your motor insurance premium. This means that if the car is too old and doesn't have a good safety and security feature, you might pay the higher premium. This is because the condition of that car is considered high risk on the road. So, be sure to get a car that has good safety and security features and is less than 10 years old to minimize on the cost of your motor insurance premium. Then, another way to lower your premium is only get coverage you need the most. In theory, getting additional coverage is all very good and well, but the reality is, the more coverage you add to your policy, the more money you will have to pay for the premium. There are quite a number of additional coverages to choose from, such as accessory cover, tie and special police like flood, typhoon or landslide cover. Some add-on coverage could be worth the additional premium depending on your needs, but at the same time, you have to avoid from over-insurance. In short, lower coverage amount can leave you financially exposed, and higher coverage limits offer peace of mind.
The next thing that we can do to ensure the lower premium is by reduce the claim history. Do you ever heard about the NCD? NCD refers to the no claim discount. When you are purchasing insurance for your vehicle, at the time of renewing your insurance, if you doesn't make any claimant on your vehicle for the previous year, then the insurance company will give some discount. And the good news is the NCD structure will stay constant. The next thing you can do is shop around and survey the price. Prices are different from one firm to the next. You can obtain at least 3 pricing estimates. You may contact businesses directly or look for information on the internet. It is critical to select a financially sound organization. You may obtain quotations from the several types of insurance providers. Then you can compare which one that suit with your budget. Some policies may offer amazingly low prices, but they may not provide the sufficient coverage that you and your vehicle need, so you have to choose it wisely. Don't shop by price alone. Request recommendation from your friends and your family. Choose an agent or corporate representative who is willing to answer all of your queries.
Created using Powtoon.